Now, let's get busy. Whoops. Hey foodie friends, it's Dina here with EatLaughReview, and today I have another one for you guys. I'm making burrito bowls with a creamy chipotle sauce. Oh, I can't wait to make this. Okay, anyhow, I just want to thank everyone that tried to come up with a name for that sauce I made using the Tom Tom Szechuan chili garlic sauce. There was so many to choose from, and they were all great. I love them all, but I have to pick just one. I picked Dina's Spicy Tongue Twister sauce. I thought that was so cute. I love it, and I just want to say thank you, Fairy Tale, for coming up with that name. I appreciate it, and I appreciate everyone that took the time to come up with the name. And also I wanted to send a quick shout out to one of my awesome supporters, Les Forever. Thank you for showing me love. Thank you for always commenting. Thank you for always watching. I appreciate you all. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that like. I like those likes. So let's get into this amazing burrito bowl with creamy chipotle sauce all over the top. So now, let's get busy. So what are we gonna use for this creamy chipotle sauce? We're gonna use silken tofu for you. That's what we're using. Why the silken tofu, you might ask? Because this kind of tofu, slap it a little bit. This kind of tofu is good for smoothies, sauces, any cream-based type of thingamajig that you want to do that's nice and creamy and good. So use the silken tofu. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna blend this bad boy all up. So let's get started with our sauce. So grab your handy dandy mixerino. Also, if you want the recipe, I'll link my email and I'll send you the recipe. Okie dokes. So we're gonna use half a cup of this silken tofu. I'm veganizing this recipe. So instead of the Greek yogurt, I'm using the silken tofu for you. And now it calls for one whole chipotle and adobo sauce right there, which, you know, guys, it comes in a can, no big whoop. You can find them anywhere in the taco section aisle. You can find it there. So let's throw this guy in there. It smells so good. I love this adobo thingamajig. Then half a teaspoon of the sauce from that can, from that adobo, where we got the little chipotle pepper from. 1 to 2 cloves of garlic. 1/8 of a teaspoon of cumin, but we're just gonna go with it. And then 1 tablespoon of fresh lime juice. So get your guns out, because we need to squeeze this juice in here. There we go. And I'm gonna add just a little bit of agave because I love my sweet and spice. So there we go. And we are good to go. Let's cover this bad boy up. And let's get on blending. BRB. Okay guys, this recipe called for 1/4, and I'm not happy with it because for a family of 5, this is not enough sauce. So I'm just gonna add the whole tofu back in here. Just add it. I mean, you can always save this sauce for other things, tacos, you know, whatever. So guys, just because I did that, we're gonna have to add everything else, just more of it, okay? Okay, so the recipe doesn't call for salt, but I'm gonna add some salt and pepper in here as well because it's lacking of flavor. It's spicy. The spice factor is there, but not the salt. So I'm gonna add a little bit of salt in there, more lime, some more agave because the spice factor is real. And I'm just gonna add half of that chipotle pepper thingamajig because a whole one is just gonna be, it's already spicy. So let's just do that. So let's try this again. Okay. Okay, so let's look at this guy. Ooh, much better. Wow, look at this, guys. Look how beautiful this looks. Look at that. Okay, so let's try it. Ooh, the spice is really... So let's add a little bit more of the agave. The moral of the story is taste and tweak to your liking. So now I'm just gonna blend this guy one last time, and I'll show you how to make that cilantro lime rice. Okay, foodie friends, so I have my cilantro lime rice right here, and olive oil, garlic, half a red onion. Saute that, add your white rice, and squeeze limes in there, and then add your cilantro. I added like I left that in there to cook, and just let it boil, and you're good to go. So yummers. Okay, so let's start assembly. Let's add some of our delicious cilantro lime rice that I made. Okay, foodie friends, I'm also adding some salsa to it. You guys can add whichever one you'd like to use. I'm a fan of this lime and garlic one. So good. See that there? Guys, this salsa here, super cheap. $1.50 at Walmart, and it tastes like a $10 salsa here. So good. So we're just gonna drizzle that on top. And now we're going to add our romaine lettuce that I chopped up. And then I'm gonna add my favorite of all time is avocado. I can eat an avocado 3 a day, easy. It's one of my favorite things to eat. And now for the finale, we are gonna drizzle our delicious chipotle cream sauce that we made with our silken tofu. Here we go. And let's drizzle this bad boy. Ooh, baby. Ooh, guys, look at this. Look at this, foodie friends, how delicious this looks. We have your tomatoes, Roma tomatoes. We have avocados. We have our bacos in there, our lettuce, our cilantro, lime rice, and we also have corn in there, black beans there. So flavorful. And we can't forget our chipotle cream sauce. Look at that, you guys. So delicious. Budget-friendly meal here. So quick and easy. And you know what? And it's healthy too. So there you have it. And now we eat. Look how pretty that looks. I added some little Tostitos there, so then we can do the old dipperino, dippity-doo-dah dip there. Say that 3 times fast. But look how cute that is. It looks so good. Okay, guys, so let's take a bite. Ooh, look at this. Thank goodness. Oh, that lime rice is just so good, and it's so easy to make. That chipotle just adds that little, just a tad of spiciness. I'm so glad I added the agave, guys. It just calms it down a little bit. Then we have our little Roma tomatoes, and this salsa for $1.50 is doing its thing. Let me tell you. Look at this. So delicious. I'm loving this. And you have the bacos in there. Adds the smokiness as well. Now we're gonna go for a chip. Look at that. Avocados, chipotle. It's madness here. So delicious. And there's your burrito bowl, you guys. Flavorful, easy, budget friendly. And you guys can just whip this up any day of the week. So delicious. So this was inspired by my youngest. She just started her first job at a chain restaurant burrito place. So she told me about these burrito bowls, and I just wanted to veganize it. So there we go. So this was inspired by her. There you have it, guys. Simple, easy peasy, budget friendly, and delicious. And healthy too. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And also, if you guys make this, take a picture and tag me on Instagram. I would love to see it. And I'll see you guys then on the next one. Bye.